In Gmail, it's a good idea to occasionally check your spam folder. And to do that, you're going to go to the left column and select the triangle beside More, and there's a folder marked Spam. I see that something has been marked as spam, but it's an email from my colleague and I want to read it. So I want to change it from spam and place it into my inbox. I'm going to place a check mark in the box, and now I can mark it as not spam. And what that does, it takes it and puts it into my email inbox. So now I can read the email from my colleague. If I have something in my email inbox that I want to mark as spam, what I'm going to do is I'll place a check mark in the box. I'll go to the report spam icon. It looks like a stop sign with an exclamation point. So I'm going to select that button, and what that does, it takes that email and it moves it into spam. If I want to get rid of my spam and delete it, I'm going to place a check mark and then delete forever. Another way to move spam in and out of your inbox is to go to the spam folder, click the email, and just drag it into your inbox. And then it'll appear in your inbox. And if you want to move something to spam, click the email and drag it into spam. Now you have two ways that you can manage your spam folder, by either check marking in the box or just clicking and dragging. This helps Gmail use its content filter algorithm to determine spam. For more tutorials on Going Google, be sure and check out the ICATS website.